Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this WOLFBOX Superpower MegaFlow100 air blower. So let's open it up. Now you are going to have to charge it as soon as you get it. It does come with a really nice manual. Now I've already had mine charged up. You're going to charge it with USB-C right here. Now it comes with these adapters, which we're going to go through. Comes with a power cord, a charging cord, USB-C on one side, USB-A on the other, and another adapter, and a lanyard. And in this box up here, looks like there's a case. So this looks like a really nice case. What else is in here? Oh wow, little cleaning tools. Little duster. Yeah, that's really nice. A little bit stiffer. That's a really nice, like, velvet bag. All right, so let's get over here to this. Again, charge it up. These little icons are going to light up, and then all four of them will be visible when it's fully charged. See, that last one's flashing. When it's fully charged, all four will be solid. Now, it's very simple to operate. This is the power switch and the mode switch, and this is when you want to turn it on. So press and hold this. That means we're in the high mode when all three are lit up. If you want to go to low, when one is lit up, that's low. And then when I press this button, it's going to stay on until I press it again. Same with medium. Press it once. Now in high mode, it's only going to operate when I press the button. So if I release the button, it stops. So that is only in high mode. The trigger only works whenever you're pressing it. If I go back to medium, press it once. Now it's very easy to change the nozzles. Like that's nice and grippy. Rotate it. Then you can put this one on. See, there's little ears. Find that, rotate it, and it kind of clicks. And again, very concentrated. Not super loud, but very powerful. There's the fan. So it's going to intake is here and push the air out there. That's like where you can put like a lanyard. It does come with this little lanyard right here. You can put in and out of these little holes. USB-C for charging. Comes with a 3,000 milliamp hour battery. A little bit grippy right here. Let's just try all the nozzles. Like a flat. Ooh, really fine. This is for airing up different things, like an inflatable ball or something. Doesn't have a whole lot of pressure for airing up a ball, but for like an inflatable thing, I think it would work. Yeah, you're going to get the most airflow with this one. And then this is the sharpest airflow. Okay, I got it on high power. Pretty powerful for far away stuff. How big is it? 6 1/4 inches by about almost 1 3/4. You know, 3 1/4, but with the nozzle about 5 1/2. It does have a light on the side. Whoa, blows a lot of air. Okay, so the light, it's not really bright. It's just maybe right in the area. In real life, it's not super bright. Okay, let's put everything in the bag. Nice soft bag, charging cable, lanyard, our 2 cleaning brushes, the blower, and it will turn itself off after a while. Look at that. That's a super nice bag. Hope this unboxing and review helped. Thanks everybody for watching.